You are not lazy, you are not broken. You are just blocked. I'm a business owner and a psychologist, and after studying human behavior, the people who reach their potential, they are not smarter, more talented or luckier. They've just learned how to remove what's in the way. So in this video, I will show you 4 different things that's stopping from reaching your full potential and how to break free from them. Let's get into it. Most people don't really know what they are capable of because they never stop to see themselves clearly. You can't fix what you can't see. Self-awareness is the foundation of growth. Yet many people live on autopilot, reacting, scrolling, chasing approval, repeating habits that sabotage them. To reach your potential, you must face your truth. Journaling, therapy, meditation, they are not trends, there are tools for self-observation. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding? What patterns repeating in my life? What am I afraid of losing if I'm actually going to succeed? Awareness doesn't feel good at first. It's like shining a light into your darkest room. But once you see the patterns, you are able to change them. That's how growth begins. Not by adding more, but removing what blinds you. Fear of failure is not about being afraid to fall. It's about being afraid how you look when you fail. We tie our identity to perfection. You think if we fail, it means that we are a failure. But that's false. Every successful person you admire, from Steve Jobs to Michael Jordan, have failed more times than most people ever tried. The truth is, fear doesn't disappear. You just stop letting it drive. You reframe it from threat to teacher. Next time fear shows up, ask, what is this fear is trying to protect me from? What would I do if a failure isn't an option? Start seeing failure as a data, not a defect. Each failure gives you feedback that sharpens your aim. The only failure is standing still, protecting your ego instead of developing new skills. Motivation is spark, but consistency is the engine. And here's the thing. The consistency isn't about working harder. It's about building systems that makes right actions automatic. Most people fail not because they can't do the work, but because they try to rely on emotion instead of structure. If you work only when you feel like it, you will lose every time. Start with structure. Goal calendar. Break your bigger goal into small daily achievable actions. Habit stacking. Attach your old habits to the new ones. Attach new habits to the old ones. Meditate after brushing your teeth. Journal after waking up and track progress. Small wins create a momentum. Just remember, consistency compounds. It's not massive actions that change your life. It's the small ones repeated daily, even when no one is watching. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you surround yourself with people who chase mediocrity, you'll start believing that's normal. But growth requires fiction. Being around those who challenge you and expand you. Ask yourself, what drains my energy? Who pushes me forward? What kind of person do I become when I'm with them? You can't soar if your surroundings pull you back to the ground. Sometimes you outgrow environment before you outgrow yourself, and that's painful but necessary. Change your space, change your pace. Read new books, join new groups, get mentors and listen to the voices, because your potential blooms in which soil you put yourself. Reading your potential isn't about becoming something new. It's about remembering who you already are underneath all the noise. So take action today, remove what blocks you, and if you find value in this, subscribe, press like and comment with your favorite book or your favorite celebrity. Because you are closer to reaching your full potential than you think. So let's rise together. Have a good flight, fam.